Yes, and hello to my all friends, followers, listeners. How are you all? Hope all will fine and doing very awesome trading. Today going to show you one more day with step index report. And don't think it's just for step index. No, it's for all type of indexes. And right now I'm going to show you the results of this account. We started with 96.14 cents. Okay, overall we took the withdraw is $150 and right now balance is $200 and we made profit $255. Okay guys, and that overall profit last week. Now let me show you the 2-day history and the work of robot. Here is the 2-day history on step index and other volatility period. The 41.80 cents we made a profit to the 25th November. Look at 25th November and we made good profit 260.65 cents right now equity of account, and we're running this robot in this account. Right now we stopped because we are going to place and withdraw and we'll start again from same point with $100. Again we are going to start with $100. Okay guys, and we'll also paste daily results here. Okay guys, it's taking just the cents profit but it's making good money 41.80 with very good risk management. What we made today is 41.80 cents. What we made last week with 96.40, this is an whole week, 255. Almost we double this account. Okay guys, and we took the withdraw $150. Right now we are going to take withdraw of $100 again. So total we took the withdraw $250 and the balance is $265. We'll leave $100 and start trading again using this robot. It's really very awesome thing. If you guys interested, feel free contact me. Check the description before asking your question. Check the description. Watch this video. $70 one account license of this robot. If you guys want to purchase, please, this is only one account license. You're not able to sell, you're not able to forward, only you can use on your own account. I hope you guys get that and understand how actually that licensing of MQL5 source files, how it works. It works is the security of our code, and this thing help us to protect our code from sellers and adopt the strategy. So if you guys interested, feel free check the description and contact. Have a great day. Wish you best trading. Goodbye.